think I've had a fire that big in a while.
The Stanley family.
Good evening, folks. So we're going to be building a new burn barrel, me and Dad, for me to burn in.
What kind of tools are you using there, son?
Milwaukee drill bits, Milwaukee drill, and Milwaukee tape measure.
So folks, when you're inside Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever you are, it's always good to check out the clearance. I got this here set of Milwaukee drill bits. It's their red Helix Shockwave impact duty bits. As you can see there, normally $30 value. I got it for $8, so not too bad. So stay tuned. All right, folks, so we measured the circumference of the barrel here, and we got about 70 inches. So we're going to go around the barrel, and about every 10 inches, we're going to do a hole here, a hole here, and a hole here. It's not going to be the prettiest barrel, but that's what we're going to do to keep some airflow, and then we're going to drill holes in the bottom up here. So stay tuned, and that's how we're going to make a simple burn barrel. The Milwaukee Fastback knife. Be a link to it in the video down in the description. Very handy. Of course, got your knife. It's got a little screwdriver, flathead, Phillips, 1/4 inch drive. Very handy. Always have a screwdriver on you at all times. This little drill set here goes from 1/16 size bit all the way up to 3/8. The holes we're going to be drilling is going to be 3/8 in size. So what we're going to be using. Pretty handy little set. Comes with a nice case. So good for organization. And that's going to be all the holes on the side. Next, we're going to go to the bottom of the barrel here and drill some. That is our simple DIY burn barrel.